Good morning, friends. We are learning the chapter number 3, SCF and LCM. SCF, highest common factor, and LCM, lowest common multiple. We have learned in the last video to find the SCF of the given two numbers by factorization method. Factorization method we have learned, and we have learned in the last video that when two numbers are given and find the SCF of the given numbers. Now here three numbers are given, and now we have to find the SCF of three numbers. Okay, 25. The smallest prime number is 2. But here we can't apply the test of divisibility by 2. After that, after 2, 3 is prime number, 3 is prime number. But here when we do the addition of digits, 2 plus 5, 7. It is not the multiple of 3. And therefore, after that, 5 is prime number, and here in the unit place there is 5, and therefore we can write here 5 into 5, 25. Second number is, these are both are prime numbers, and therefore prime factors are 5 and 5 of 25. Again, now there is 50. Again, smallest prime number is 2, but here we can't apply the test of divisibility by 2. After that, after 2, 3 is prime number, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 is multiple of 3, and therefore we can apply the test of 3. 3, 5 are 50, 5 is prime number, both are the prime numbers. Okay. Now 35. Again, start from the 2. We can't divide 35 by 2. Therefore, again after 2, 3 is prime number, 3 plus 5 is 8. But here it is not multiple of 3, and therefore after that 5. In unit place this 5, therefore we can apply the test of divisibility by 5. 5 7s are 35. Both are the prime numbers. Now common factors. Now we will find the common factors in three numbers. Okay, 5, 5 and 5. Is there common factor again? No. Therefore, SCF is equal to 5. Okay. Now, second example we will see. Are you getting this? It is very easy. When in the last video we find the prime factors of the two numbers. Here we find the prime factors of the three numbers and find the common factors in three numbers. And that is the SCF of the given three numbers. 60, 12 and 36. 60, find the factors of 60. There is 0 in the unit place, therefore we can use the test of divisibility by 2. 2, 3 are 6 and 0. Again unit place 0, therefore 2. Again we will apply the test of divisibility by 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1 becomes 10, 2 5s are 10. 2 into 2. Now 2 we can't apply here test of divisibility by 2. After that 3 5s are 15. 5 is also prime number. 5 is a 15, 15 is a 30, 30 is a 6. Now 12. Here unit place, in the unit place there is 2. Therefore, test of divided by 2 can be applied here. 2, 6 are 12. 6 is not prime number. Again 6 comes in the table of 2. Therefore 2, 3 are 6. Okay. Now 36. Again in the unit place there is 6. Therefore we can use the test of 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1, becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 again we replace there is 8, therefore 2 9s are 18. 2 into 2. Now after 2, 3 is prime number, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 36. Now find the common factors. Common factors. Now here is 2, here also 2, 2. Again 2, 2, 2. Again 3, 3, 3. Is there again? No. Therefore, LCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now, 12 is the LCM of the given 3 numbers, and given 3 numbers there is 12. Out of 3 there is 1 number is that is LCM, because 12 is the highest common factors. It means 12 by 12 we can divide 12, 60 and 36. 12 are 12, 12 5s are 60 and 12 3s are 36, and therefore 12 is here common factor. We can say that if the given number is the divisor of the other two numbers, then that number is LCF. There are 3 numbers are given. Out of 3, 12 is the divisor of the 3 numbers, and therefore 12 is the LCF. By observation, only by observation we can find the LCF when the one number is divisor of the other numbers. Okay. Now, example 3. 195, 312 and 556. Okay. 195. Can we use the test of 2? No. Then 3, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 3. 3, 6 are 18, carry 1, 15, 3, 5 are 50. Can we again use the test of 3? No. 6 plus 5, 11. Then use 5. 5 1s are 5, carry 1, 5 3s are 50. Now these 3 numbers are the right numbers. Now 312. Here in the unit place there is 2, therefore we use the test of 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1 becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1 becomes 12, 2 6 are 10. 2 into, again in the unit place there is 6, therefore 2 divided by, we can divide 156 by 2, or test here apply of 2. 2 7s are 14, carry 1 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 into 2 into, in unit place there is 8, therefore again 2 3s are 6, carry 1 18, 3 6 are 18. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into, here in the unit place there is 6, therefore again we can use the test of 2. 2 1s are 2, carry 1 becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, in the unit place there is 8, therefore we can use the 2 9. Test of 2, 2 9s are 18. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. All these prime numbers you have to bring in the next step. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 9. In the 9 is not prime number. It comes in the table of 3. Therefore 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now last number 546. 546. In the unit place there is 6. Okay. Therefore, use the test of 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry over 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. Can we use the test of 2? No. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 2 12. Therefore, we can use the test of 3. 3 9s are 7. 27. 3 1s are 3. Can again we can use the test of 3? No. After that 5. In unit there is not 0 or 5. Therefore, after that 5 7 is prime number. Divide 91. Divide by 7. 7 1s are 7. Carry 2. Become 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 30. Now these are the prime numbers. Therefore, highest common factors. Therefore, common factors. Which are those common factors? 3. Here 3. Here also 3. 3. 3. 3. Is 5. Is here 5? Not. Therefore, only one common factor is there, 3. And therefore, SCF is equal to 3. SCF is equal to 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 is 36, 36 2 is 78, 78, 156. Therefore, SCF is 3. Now, there is a practice set for you. Sorry, there is one mistake. 2 3 are 6, carry 1, 2 9 are 18. Therefore, here 3, here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, again we will get another 13. 3 into 13, 39. SCF is 39. It is mistake because 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 18, 2 9s are 18. After that, here is 39, 2, 2, 2, 1 plus 3. Now, 39 can divided by 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, common factors are 3 and 13, and therefore, multiplication of the common factors means SCF 3 into 39. 3 into 13 is equal to 39. Okay. Now practice set 12 you have to solve. Is homework for you. Practice set 12. It is homework for you. Okay. If you can find the prime factors, then you can find the common factor also, and the multiplication of the common factor is the SCF of the given numbers. Okay, solve, write all these in your class copy and then solve. Practice set 12. Okay, thank you.